Delicious patis with kamatis. Delicious yummy spice. In Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by Juanita Gutierrez. This book is now available at Amazon.com, Xlibris.com, in ebook, Kindle, and paperback format. Yummy delicious patis with kamatis. This is my favorite spice addition with any food. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang pagkaing Pilipino, mabuhay ang mga Pilipino, lalo na ang aking nanay, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes. This is a tribute to my mom, whose cooking skill is excellent. When we were growing up, she always loved to cook. This is our first kitchen that my father, who works in America, provided for us. He made a great love of sacrifice working in the United States to support us, all his 8 children, to go to college. And this is our beautiful kitchen when we were growing up, and Mom loved to cook. God bless the parents who always do wonderful things for her children. Enjoy the recipes, delicious and yummy, from my book Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes by Juanita Gutierrez. Yummy patis with kamatis. Enjoy! Mabuhay tayong lahat.